Deliberating on the implementation of Budget 2014, the guests were divided on whether or not there are likely challenges to be faced by the executive arm with or without checks from the legislative arm. Barrister Gentleman Amigo expressed optimism that the implementation of the budget will be smooth and perfect to at least 70 to 80%, especially with the competence of the man at the helms of affairs, Governor Adams Oshiomhole. Other guests, Barrister Edo State and Barrister Edo State thinks otherwise, stressing that in the past, implementation has always been the problem, especially with the redundancy of the legislative arm, which can hardly challenge any policies of the executive arm, whether right or wrong.
Before the budget was put together, they had gone to meet different commissioners. We want this, we want that in our constituency, we want that. They have been done behind the scene. And so when they saw everything, they are happy. And so quickly added something and then gave it a speedy passage.
How do we explain a situation where a given amount of money is budgeted for a particular project? Take for instance, road construction. We just talked about Ugbeoko, and it is now a notorious fact. Ugbeoko, Ogida, these are areas that are crying and yearning for attention of government. Now that the budget has been passed, we expect to see work, and we expect to see the House to say, well, under this head, this was what was approved. Precisely. Has it been spent?
I'm not aware of any legislative arm that has discharged this responsibility to the satisfaction of all. And the reasons are not far to seek. The reasons include that more often than not, you find that the legislature are tied to the apron strings of either the governors or the state.
The guests also tried to assess the economic value of the recently held Youth Summit, whether or not it truly reflects on the average youth of the state. They were also forthcoming in the recent pronouncement credited to INEC boss Professor Atahiru Jega, saying the 2015 elections will not be a perfect one, wondering the rationale behind his statements. Politics Today is a current affairs phony program aired at the same time on ITV and radio on Saturday from 10:30 to 11:30 in the morning. Efosa Wangwe reporting.